Hi, STEMsters. Don't throw that paper towel roll away, because today we're going to make a loudspeaker for your phone. Hello? Hello, this is me. Is that you? Oh, hi, STEMsters. Hey, today we're going to talk about loudspeakers. Back in my day, this was an iPhone or some kind of phone, right? We had 2 cups and a string. So this would be like up in my tree fort, and this would be in the kitchen. So when my mom would call, she'd go, "Daddy!" You probably don't have a phone that looked like mine did. You probably have something that looks more like this. Now this type of phone isn't always loud enough, so today we're going to make a speaker, a loudspeaker just for this phone to fit into so your friends can hear it. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone, also invented a loudspeaker. There was also 2 other people that invented the loudspeaker at the same time, and that was Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. Now, Thomas Edison got his patent in Britain, where Nikola Tesla did not. So we're going to make our own version of a loudspeaker for our phone. So let's get to work, STEMsters. Here are the parts and tools we're going to need to make our loudspeaker. From our recycle bin, we have a paper towel roll, 2 cups, a glue gun, a Sharpie, scissors, and our musical device, preferably our phone. Now that you made your loudspeaker, it's time to do some STEM. Now remember, the sound is actually coming from your phone through this tube and out through the cups. So we could try doing it differently by making smaller cups or larger cups and see if the sound is louder or not. So what you do is you could take your phone, place it inside with the music on, and it stands all by itself like this. And then you place it somewhere and measure how far you can go before you can't hear the music anymore. And you can take it inside or outside. See if the sound is different, how far you can hear it outside versus inside. Now that you got your measurements, don't forget to write your results in your data logbook. Until next time, it's me, Professor Jim. And don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button somewhere on there. And visit our website at ProdigySTEM.com. Bye.